issue. If there are any that are in the mould, it doesn't matter, because you can actually, when you pull the plug off the car, the mould, you can actually fill it on the inside. So when you actually hit the panel, you won't have the indents where the rivets are. Now I have the wing secure on the car, I'm going to start on the top line of the bumper, starting with the corners. I'm just going to reshape them, following the line of the bumper slightly better. So I'll do that on both sides to start with, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to blend the top part in. Decide how the bottom lip of the front bumper is going to look. Have the top part of the lower part of the bumper on, I can measure the gap all the way around and make it even, just take some of the edges off, and then I can think about putting the lip that's going to go on the bottom. decided to swap out these pieces for something slightly larger that I can curve around, and it'll blend in that part of the bumper better out to the edge. The next part I will do is the corner at the top of the front bumper. I've changed my mind a few times on the design of this. I didn't think I'd have the room to do a cold air feed for the brake cooling, some ducting, so there's actually room in front of the or just behind the front bumper in front of the wheel arch, so I'll put a piece in like that, which kind of creates a slight vent, if you can see up in there. I will run simple tube ducting to the back of the brakes from the inside of the arch itself. Next, I'm going to finish off the lower part of the front lip of the bumper.